would like to introduce Dr. Sibi Vijay Kumar, who is an MBA student in Forensic Medicine and Toxicology Department of AIIMS Bhopal, who has given some thought to photography in relation to autopsy and related medical legal work with regard to ethics in taking photographs, sharing photographs, or documenting photographs. So I would like to ask you a few questions. Firstly, when we have death at any place, let's say the road, home, office, college, school, the people around start taking photographs with their mobiles or laptops and then start sharing it with each other and sometimes on social platforms. And that has a very different feeling to it. Would you like to say something? Thanks for asking me this question, ma'am. This has been a great concern nowadays. Before answering the question, I like to quote a statement released by the United Nations Court of Law that when tragedy strikes and a family member suffers a violent death, we try to remember the dearly departed as they were in life and not they were in the area. So after reading this, I have been so devastated because as we Indians, we never thought in view of the family members. We always think that once the person is dead, there can be no harm inflicted to that person. So this has been rightly quoted in their law that there is a right to survivors and family privacy, which is survivors privacy or family privacy. So we Indians are accessible to, and all are accessible to mobile phones and cameras, and there are CCTV cameras everywhere in the roads and everywhere in the even the villages. There are more cameras and gadgets. If a crime scene happens or if a accident happens, the people as a primary responder, because people being surrounded by everything, the people being the primary responders tend to take the photographs and release them in the internet without thinking anything about their family members. They think that once a person is dead and there can be no harm done to the person, but it's been directly affecting the family members who are already in heavy grief, and this will add more suffering to their family members. So I would like to address this as a unethical thing. We should avoid doing these things here. That's very nice of you to mention it in that sensitive way. There's another question which I have. While you are doing the medical legal autopsy work related to all these suspicious deaths, unnatural deaths, we are taking photographs, we are storing them, and we are giving them for evidence. And while we are keeping them, we don't have really very fixed guidelines of taking or sharing photographs. But we have some self-imposed guidelines. Would you like to talk about those and how we keep the photographs? Yes, ma'am. We as a forensic pathologist, we are bound legally so that we have to document whatever the evidence we have in the form of photograph or in the form of writings or typed letters. So, while in foreign photography, as advised by the course, essential photographs will be taken for each and every case, especially for the custodial case. We take photographs, essential photographs in each and every case, and we take photograph in a DSLR camera, which is assigned only for the autopsy photography. So after taking each for each case, we tend to take the SD card and transfer the photos in the department computer, which is assigned only for the autopsy photography. And this has been guarded by username password, which is accessible only by the faculties and the residents. And so that unauthorized usage by the other technicians or outsiders can be avoided. And after storing it for 50 or 100 cases, we transfer it to the hard disk, especially assigned for autopsy photographs, and we store this in a private locker so that nobody can be access to it. And these photographs are produced in the court once it is needed, and it is handled with great care. I appreciate your understanding in handling photographs. Thank you so much.